Good evening guys and welcome to the 5,000 subscriber special here in Gibraltar, and a massive thank you to everyone that's watching. But today is the 21st of June and it's the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere, so we're going to have a lovely evening walk up the rock. Come join me. Guys, that's incredible, 5,000 subscribers. I waited a year for 1,000 and I got 5 times that in a couple of weeks after we made the 1,000 subscriber special. So the least I can do is climb the rock for you guys. So let's do this. So here we are, and today what we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be walking up the rock to see if it's feasible, to see if it's actually doable, how much does it cost. And at the end we're going to go and see the monkeys, and the monkeys we've got to thank a lot for because it brought in a lot of views onto the channel. So let's head up. So our first pit stop here is at Devil's Gap Battery, an old military installation looking over the Bay of Gibraltar. So I'm here with the best YouTuber in Gibraltar. Now this guy is why the monkeys are really famous. I absolutely love these animals. It's easy how close you can get to them, and they're not bothered. He's absolutely not fazed by me. He's picking his fleas. Hello. And they're just such a cool animal to visit, and they definitely are Gibraltar's biggest landmark. Hello, mate. This guy is absolutely not bothered by me whatsoever. He's absolutely used to tourists, and a lot of them just climb over on the tourists. Lovely animals. So we've got this guy walking down the path. Now I want to show you this, guys. You have to have sharp eyes to see this, or know your birds. This is the world's fastest animal, the peregrine falcon. There's actually 2 of them and they're hunting a flock of pigeons. Let's see if you can spot them. A lot of people think it's the cheetah, it's the fastest animal in the world. It's not, it is the peregrine falcon. So here we are, little monkey jumping down. We can see the falcons there again. So here we are. We're not exactly at the top of the rock, and it's looking like a bit of a challenge today, to be honest. It's been a year almost since we climbed the rock. But even from the ape station where we are here now, the ape's den, where the old middle car station is behind us, you can get some really clear and beautiful views of Africa and Morocco behind us. You can even see Ceuta just jutting out in the distance. We've been there before, check out that video. And it's so clear you can actually make out the houses over in Africa. Absolutely beautiful day of visibility, and we're here actually watching the falcons hunt all these pigeons here behind us. So yeah, very interesting day, but we're going to look for more monkeys now because that's what the Shorts channel really loves. So let's go and find some. Well, I found one sitting in a tree there. It's a pretty hot day, so they're actually pretty scarce to see. They're all hiding in the undergrowth. Here we are going through the nature reserve now. So here at Gibraltar Nature Reserve, there's so many different paths you can take as well. There's the easy path, the hard path, the medium path. Now I'm not a big walker and we're taking the easy path. And we're going to have a look at the suspension bridge whilst trying to look for monkeys. Now it's about 7:30, 8 o'clock in the evening. They're all being fed, so they're being a bit scarce. But let's try and find some interesting things anyway. Come on. And I've got to say, arriving at this bridge, I am actually pretty impressed. It gives some superb views from it. Yeah, you definitely don't want to miss out on this one. And to be honest with you, I have been missing out on this one for however long I've been living here. Yeah, I'm really shocked at how nice this is. It's wobbling a little bit though. But the views are absolutely fantastic, especially on a clear, beautiful 30-degree day like it is today. So here we are on the Windsor Suspension Bridge. Now, after living in Gibraltar for 3 years, this is actually my first time on here and seeing this sign. It's actually really nice, but you've got to be careful because it is quite wobbly. And yeah, if you're a bit unstable on your feet, maybe go round. But let's move on now and let's head towards the cave. You have to be prepared to walk when you come up here, and especially on a hot day, don't do what I do and always forget to bring water, because there's hardly anywhere you can find a place to buy water unless you want to pay extortionate prices at the top of the Rock Cafe. Another tip, bring drinks. So the weather today is just over 30 degrees, and that's probably the reason why we're not seeing any monkeys. They're all in the shade and they're not out right now. So yeah, I mean, we've seen a couple. I don't think we're going to bother with St Michael's Cave. Instead, we're going to head towards the town area. So come join me. So I just wanted to point out this Andalusian wall lizard. Its beautiful green colours. But here we are arriving at the apes den. And those views are absolutely fantastic there. But let's have a little look at these guys and let's just watch them run around and do their thing. Little family here, mother, father, baby. And the baby's not the younger, you can see much younger up on the rock this time of year, but quite interesting to watch. Lovely animals, and I say this is what made the Shorts channel. This is what first started bringing in the 30, 40, 50,000 views. You know, just sitting around filming these guys. And you forget, I was watching this the David Attenborough, I don't know if you guys have seen it, came out last year, on the macaques, where they filmed in Morocco for a whole year, and they filmed this same species of monkey, the macaque, the Barbary macaque, and the fact that we're just so close to these guys and we can just go up. It only took about 20-25 minutes to walk up here and to see these animals up close. You know, we don't have to go and camp in a field, you know, like the nature documenters. No, we're quite lucky. So yeah, definitely is one of the best things of Gibraltar, seeing these guys. They're fantastic, and watching them play, watching them fight. They're so sweet as well, they're so endearing, they protect each other. There's a few rules around them, you can't feed them and that. But they're so playful. So, who says they're not friendly? Look at this one jumping right on top of me here, eating my hat, I think. Oh, don't take my don't take my gold chain. That was completely unexpected. I really didn't expect them to just jump on my neck while I was doing a little intro there, but there we are, that's nature. Snake Road, watch out for them. Probably best to see them early in the morning, and the Union Jack there. So well, that's it from us for our evening walk on the summer solstice through Gibraltar's National Park and up the rock. And I've got to say, we only went halfway up the rock and we managed to see monkeys. What did it cost? It was absolutely free. After 5 PM, the people on this security booth, they just didn't really care. I mean, we're residents anyway, so we're entitled to it for free. But if you come in as a tourist, if you come a little bit later on in the evening, I don't think they're really checking for tickets. But yeah, I hope that's helped, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. As I say, this is the 5,000 subscriber special. I'm really happy and thankful to you all for watching, subscribing, and keep on doing it, guys. And I'll bring you more journeys from here and in Gibraltar and abroad. So from me, I'll see you on the next adventure.